Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Objects section. This is a review. Way to go. You're well on your way to understanding the mechanics of objects in JavaScript. By building your own objects, you will have a better understanding of how JavaScript built-in objects work as well. You can also start imagining organizing your code into objects and modeling real-world things in code. Let's review what we learned in this lesson. Objects store collections of key-value pairs. Each key-value pair is a property. When a property is a function, it's known as a method. An object literal is composed of comma-separated key-value pairs surrounded by curly braces. You can access, add, or edit a property within an object by using dot notation or bracket notation. We can add methods to our object literals using key-value syntax with anonymous function expressions as values or by using the new ES6 method syntax. We can navigate complex nested objects by chaining operators. Objects are mutable. We can change their properties even when they're declared with const. Objects are passed by reference. When we make changes to an object passed into a function, those changes are permanent. We can iterate through objects using the for-in syntax. As long as you guys practice all these different things that we talked about concerning objects, you guys are getting objects. Make sure to create your own and practice retrieving values from keys, especially with nested objects. If you can do that, then you guys are getting this section, and I'll see you in the next one.